Look here. Daddy just dead with you.
What me done do it, man?
And you know what, no man.
What me done do it, man, Mrs.
Aye.
That.
You're not.
I want to put the chance for the night.
Hey, Junior, what's up? YouTube. Junior, YouTube. Say hello, Junior. Hey. All right. Bad dog, bad dog. Bad dog, beware of the bad dogs. These are my bad dogs. Yay, come on. My dogs are bad. So it's now nighttime, people. It's now nighttime. Night has fallen. And the work is still going on. Roadworks. Roadworks. Beanie Man, what's going on? What is mommy saying to you there, Beanie Man? Straight on the tube it's going. Yeah, roadworks on the tube. Talk private.
Hard working gone today, so today is night shift.
Tweety Bird.
Yeah.
You're the night shift man.
Yeah.
Are you pick up after the other three left?
Yeah.
Alright, so you're the graveyard shift.
Yes, me a graveyard thing, you know?
Graveyard.
Yeah.
You're on the best shift because you will get some dinner.
Oh my God.
Because the dinner late tonight.
And a lobster tail.
And a lobster tail.
Lobster tail.
Yeah. And gungo, peas, and rice.
And them the some there, what?
Yeah, man, that's how we are running it.
Today Wednesday, alright?
Yes. Up, up, up. Nighttime, people. Nighttime. See it there. Night, night, night. Nobody not go to bed tonight. Everybody come out on the street. Young, middle age, and old. Everybody help. See there? Everybody's helping. Which is a good look. Yeah. Woohoo! Dinner is ready.